Hello, today we're going to be making the best quarantine burgers. We've got some honey, homemade, and some pepper, some soy sauce, chopped up onions, some olives, some pepper, some eggs, 100 grams of breadcrumbs, 500 grams of beef, some pepper, some onions, and wild garlic. So first, you're going to chop up the ingredients. So you're going to chop up the pepper. That's chopped up. Then we're going to do, I do it like this, but be careful. And then just start chopping until you think you've got enough. But after this, you're going to try to make it a bit smaller because you don't want big chunks in it. I'm going to do about one more ring, and then I'm going to make it smaller, and I'd say we're going to go on to chopping up some more onions. You could chop it up small when you first do it, or you could just do it big to make it faster. So take like some big bits that you find is quite big and just chop them up into quite small pieces, about this much. So when you've done that, so I've done it about now, I'm just going to do a tiny bit more, and then we're going to start chopping some onions. So now we're going to put them into a bowl. So first I'm going to put like all the vegetables in, and then try not to waste any. And then we're going to do dry ingredients, then we're going to start doing the wet ingredients, and then we'll put the meat in. If you don't like getting your hands messy, I wouldn't do like mixing it all together. And the same with this, you're gonna have to make it small again. So and then at the end bit, I'm just going to turn it around. That's quite hard to do the end bit, but then it gets easier. Be a bit careful because you don't want to cut yourself with a sharp knife. So there is like rings of it, so they won't probably fall apart, which will make your job a bit easier. You want to make it a bit, not too big, but a bit bigger than the pepper. So when you've done all of that, you're going to put it into a bowl, and so you might see that we've already got some in there, but we like it a bit oniony, but if you don't want it too much, you don't have to. Oh, flying. It's nearly done. Okay, now I'm going to put it in a bowl. You want quite a big bowl because you're going to use quite a lot of ingredients. So now, after this, I'm going to put in these, which is more onions. So try to get every bit because you don't want to waste any. So now I'm going to chop up some of this wild garlic. Every bit's edible, even with flowers. So I'm going to take I don't about this much to start off with, and I'm going to try to do it like this. I mean, I know I'll leave some bits, but I'm going to chop up these. So I'm just going to chop up these bits now, just before I carry on. And I'll start chopping now. So when you've done all that, if you don't like garlic that much, I wouldn't put so much in because it's quite strong. But we like quite a lot of we like garlic, and it's quite good for you. So we put quite a lot in. Even the flowers are edible, so I try to add the flowers. You can't really chop up the flowers, but so you can just put them in. So now we can put it in a bowl. I'm probably not going to put the rest in because we can save it. Oh, there's some big bits. I'll just pick them out and chop them up later. Oh, that's another bit. I'm just going to put them in anyway. So now we're going to add some green chilli. Put them in. If you're not a big fan of chilli, I won't put too much in, but yeah. So we chopped up olive. It doesn't really matter what you have, but try to include the oil. And now we done the. Now I'm going to put some breadcrumbs in it. It's 100 grams. And so we'll try to get it all in. So next I'm going to be doing some pepper. That's about enough. And now I'm going to be adding some wet ingredients. Now I'm going to get a bowl. I'll just grab it, doesn't really matter. So I'm going to get some eggs. You need 4 eggs. And just start cracking them. When you've done that, start mixing them with a fork. Try not to get any shell in. So my bowl's a bit overflowing now, but I think I can just add, yeah. And now I'm going to get my fork and start mixing it. So be quite careful because if you've got a bowl like this, you don't really want to overflow it. Actually, I might put it into a different bowl, into this bowl. That's much easier. Now we can start whisking. Try to get it until all the egg yolk's gone. So now we're going to pour it into a bowl. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. So and pull that in. Now I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of homemade honey. If you don't have homemade honey, just use some local. And I'm going to get I'm going to mix it in with a spoon. Now we're down to the last ingredient that we're going to use, and it's one of the most important ingredients, the meat. I'm going to put the lid back on the honey first. So you're going to roll your sleeves up first if they're not already rolled up, and just going to try to get, you want to try to, and put it in. Plonk. So now I'm going to clean this stuff off the spoon, and so now I'm going to start mixing it in. You don't really want to waste anything. When you're done mixing it all in, the meat will probably be a different colour from all the ingredients. So you want to try to mix it all in. I'd say the best way to mix it in is using like this, palms. And so start mixing and try to get every ingredient in. But after you've done with the meat, wash your hands. So I've been mixing it all, and you can't really see like the strands of the meat before. When you've done, you put the bowl forward, bring the tray forward, put some grease-proof paper in it, and find the right size like circle cutter that you want to use. We use this one, and you'll probably be able to make about 6 proper sized burgers. So I move the cutter to the side and put the meat down, but now I'm going to grab it again and start putting it in. You don't want to put too much in because it could overflow, but you start putting it in and pressing it down really hard, and press it down, and boom, the first one's done. So I'm going to get another one and just keep on repeating that until you've got no meat left. So I've made a couple more now, and I'm starting to run out of meat, though I think I might need another tray. I think I can make about 2 more. So I decided to make it on a plate because we've only got a tiny bit left. But you still have to put some grease-proof paper on it. So I'm just gonna get the rest. It probably is gonna make about 1 tiny one, but try to scrape every last bit out of the bowl. So now we're going to put these in the fridge for an hour to like set, and then you have to wash your hands after that. So we've got our burgers on a big grain egg, which is oak fired, and they're at 150 degrees. This is what they look like. We put some corn on as well. So now I'm just going to flip them. So I cooked them all now, and make sure that they're all cooked thoroughly. This is the burger completed. Anybody can make this, and I'm only 10 and I made this without any help. Next time we're going to be showing how to make this burger bun.